Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to talk about the May 2025 update for Windows 11 24H2, which is the build 26100.4061 or build code KB5058411. For those of you who don't know, this is the Patch Tuesday or the B release for the month of May, and this update will extend the rollout for previous features that were announced in the C release for last month. In this video, we're going to briefly talk about what new features are extending their rollout to this build and what you can expect from this build going forward. If you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. First of all, as with every Patch Tuesday, this update addresses security issues for your Windows operating system, and as I've said, it extends the rollout of certain features from last month. For an in-depth overview of all the fixes and improvements and features that are rolling out, you can check out some of my previous videos, the big update for the month of April and also the update from the release preview channel, because both of those updates are coming to this build and are extending their rollout. But as a short recap, the main thing would be the new start menu sidebar with phone link that will provide information for your phone, the status of your connection, quick link to messages, calls, photos, and also the ability to see recent calls, messages, or photos. One thing that I really like about this is that you can click on send files. You can quickly send a file to your phone by just dragging a file or manually selecting it from here into this window. So for example, I'm just gonna quickly send a file, just drag and drop it there. It's gonna establish the connection, and in 1 second the file is successfully sent to my phone. I've already received it. There are also improvements for the File Explorer. Certain issues with archives that were slow are fixed, and other small improvements overall in the system that will make the operating system better. And there are also improvements to certain apps like live captions, voice access, and reader, and the Copilot app, which extend the features that we already know. Of course, more info about this, as I've said, you can check out in some of my previous videos, but I won't go in depth with it. The thing is that this new start menu is basically the highlight. Microsoft also added some other options in the start menu pinned list. You can now right click on an app and move it to front, left, right, and so on. Basically multiple apps to personalize the pinned section, and this is basically it for big features. There are also fixes and small changes that I've said you can check out in some of my previous videos. Specific to this build, we get two fixes. Microsoft addresses an issue where the audio from your microphone might mute unexpectedly in this build, and also the eye control app doesn't launch in previous builds. This was also fixed. We're also getting the Windows 11 Service and Stack update so that we can easily receive Microsoft updates and install them reliably. As for known issues, Microsoft is not currently aware of any issues with this update, so you should be safe to install it and use it on your main computer. This is basically the Patch Tuesday or the May update for Windows 11 24H2 in 2025. As I've said, you can check out the article below for more information about this update and what is rolling out exactly. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.